अरे आ जाओ have a seat, sir. How may I assist you? Yes, sir. How may I assist you?
Please show me some qualities for clothes.
Yeah, which quality do you want, sir? I have a different qualities, different varieties like that, cotton, nylon, and Danish.
Please show me cotton variety.
Cotton variety. Please hold on. Don't be shivering, okay?
Okay.
Yes. Please show the. Okay, don't worry. Yeah. Show me the cotton cloth. This is a cotton cloth. What do you want? Pants, shirt, yeah, only cloth.
Only clothes.
Cloth. Just show me a shirt cloth. This is a shirt cloth. Light color or dark color?
Light.
Light color. This is a light one. Yes.
Please.
Just look at this variety of this thing. It's a very good, awesome
This
quality.
this is very good quality.
Yeah, this is very good. So what do you want? Speak up.
Which clothes?
आराम से This is a very ill-mannered table.
What is the price of clothes?
It's a 60 meter, 60 rupees per meter.
Can you make some discount?
So sorry, sir, discount is not available because no, sir, discount is not available. It's a fixed price. And you know what? If you go anywhere, any shopkeepers, this is a very cheap price here. You can compare with any shopkeepers. That is the very cheapest price. You can afford it.
Okay. This colors will not be fade.
No, this color will not be fade. I assure you, if you buy and if you just make you stitches, so of course this color will not be fade.
How much cloth I need for shirt?
I think you want full sleeves or half sleeves?
Full sleeve shirt.
Full sleeve shirt. So I think these things I have to ask my tailor because I don't have any idea about that things. How much cloth do you want?
Okay. So please pack 2 meter and 30 centimeter cloth.
2 meter and 30. Hello, excuse me. Just give me a white. This you choose a white color. Am I right?
Yes.
White cloth. This is the white and this is the 2 meter.
Please pack the cloth.
Please give me a carry bag. Yeah, this is a carry bag.
What price do I pay?
You have to pay 60 into 120.
120.
Yes.
You have to cash a card.
So which things you want? I have a cash service and you can also.
Please
pay
show
online.
me scanner.
So this is the scanner. This is the scanner of Mansi Bajpayee.
Okay. 120 rupees. No?
Yeah, 120 rupees. So do you want anything else?
No.
So if you want, I have a pant cloth also available, and the jeans also I have. So which you want? So please just try me one time.
Okay.
Okay.
Please show me jeans.
Jeans. Okay. Please show me a jeans. Sir, you want a cloth or otherwise the jeans?
Jeans.
We have a garment also.
Jeans.
Jeans. Just show me which color do you want? Light or dark?
Light blue.
Light blue. Light blue. Show me all light blue colors. So this is a navy blue. This is a light blue, and this is a sky blue also. That all things.
What is the price navy blue?
So it's a 1200 rupees.
1200 rupees. Can you make some discount?
So discount is not available, but if you are buy this thing because you have also buy about like that shirt cloth, so of course I can discount the 10% discount. I have.
Okay. So
अच्छा कर रहा है, just wait.
what price do I pay?
You have to pay 1200. You have to pay now the 10% discount. उसकी मैं अच्छी है. 1000. Okay, so the 10% discount you have to pay the 1000 rupees.
Okay, please show me scanner.
Okay. Wow, family customer है हमारे पास.
Okay.
So would you like to would you like to buy anything else like that? Garments we have also available like that the sari and.
I will visit next time.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
यस प्लीज कम नेक्स्ट कस्टमर। आज अच्छी बोनी हो रही है मेरी भाई। नहीं बोलोगे तुम? नहीं करते।